Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I do my nails at home with a kit that I bought from Amazon. It was about $30 and I'm doing nail polish, which is a shellac. I'm going with the Cuticle Pusher first, just to prepare my nails. I have a really thick cuticle and it's really bothering me, so I'm removing it with a cuticle cutter. You can always go without even removing it. If you have really nice nails and really nice cuticle, you can just push it a little bit. Your nail is gonna still show very well. Or you can just buy a cuticle remover, which is not that scary, and you can just apply it on your cuticle and it's gonna fall off. Again, I'm doing this just because I've been doing it for a while. I feel comfortable to do it, and I'm not scared that I'm gonna cut myself. Actually, been doing this for almost 4 or 5 years and I didn't cut myself even once. So after I do the cuticle cutter, I'm cleaning just because my cuticles are growing exactly on the nail, so I just have to push everything back and get it ready. Now I'm just gonna trim my nails. I want to prepare the shape that I want, and you can do whatever shape you like. I like the square shape and I just do the edges rounded. And then I'm using just the center, just because I already had shellac on my nails, but you can always go with a buffer before doing the base coat, so it just sticks better to your nails. This is the base coat, and I'm gonna apply it really thin on my nails. You can see this is all about having really thin layers, and when you put it under the lamp, it is gonna stick really well to your nail and they're gonna stay longer. And if you don't get something on the nail and you get it around, you can always just clean. Now I'm going under the lamp, and for the base coat I go about 60 seconds. This is the lamp, it's the one from Amazon. The next step is going to be the color, and I'm going with the white color, and I'm gonna apply it on the nails. The same, you want to do really thin layers, and this is not a regular nail polish, so you can always clean if you don't like something. So just be sure to have something near so you can clean. Again, really thin layers, because you can do a couple of them, and if you do really thick layers, it's not gonna stick to your nail and you'll have them fall after a couple of days or after the first time you put your hands in the water. You can see here how I clean them just with my other nails. And for the color, I go about 90 seconds. And then we do the next layer. Same, really thin. And we're gonna go under the lamp again, 60 or between 60 and 90 seconds. So we did 2 layers. Now we're gonna do the top coat. This one you can do thin or thick. It's sticking really well, it doesn't matter at this point. I do a little bit thicker than the regular shellac. And then I go under the lamp for about 90 seconds as well. This is the cuticle oil that I got also in that Amazon kit, and I just go around my cuticle so my nails stay really clean and nice, and my cuticle doesn't grow on my nails. Like I told you, I have really weird cuticle, so this helps me. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the other hand. I'm removing the cuticle, creating my shape, and then we're doing the base coat one layer 60 seconds. Then we are doing the color, 2 layers, and the color stays about between 60 and 90 seconds. And then the top coat, which is gonna stay on for about 90 seconds. So this is it, guys. You can see how easy it was to do my nails at home with just a kit for $30 that lasts probably for 1 year. And then thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and then comment. You can always comment and tell us how you did your nails. Thank you.